Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. And from here we just basically have to tap on my tasks in the bottom row, where we can find the tasks that we have been assigned to. Here at the top we find recently assigned, the things that have been recently added, then due today, due next week, due later, and yeah, here we can just filter and look through the things that we have to do in our company and referring to different projects. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.